Hello sir, this is a one-way remote alarm system. Sometimes you lost your alarm remote. Two remotes you lost. Okay, but your alarm system is making alarm, make a sound alarm. It will make you annoying. Will making you frustrating. How do you emergency disarm? In this video, I will tell you the method how to emergency disarm without alarm remote. This is a side trigger alarm. Side. This is in ACC. Okay. ACC. If you first let me, this is negative. Side trigger alarm. Negative. I give a signal. Negative signal. It will make alarm. The siren will make sounds. Yes. Now this. Okay. Firstly, it must on. It is on, and then you open. You use the mechanical key, original mechanical key to unlock the Cardot system will make alarm. Let me simulate this situation. Now give a negative signal. Yes. Make alarm. Make alarm. The double alarm. ACC. You insert the key to ignition switch. Turn the key on off, and just stay on. It will emergency disarm. Just like this cable is ACC. ACC is positive signal. I taught this 5 times. Taught 5 times, it will make emergency. Just like you turn the key from off on, and off on. Okay, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is final. Let me try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. 5. Please remember that. Use this ACC touch the positive power slowly, almost one second, one time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Emergency disarm. Stay on position. Just you like turn the key to on position. Stay on position, and then relay click, and stop working. It means disarm. Now this disarm. So now on this side, disarm. Now siren sound. It means successful setting. This is emergency disarm. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.